Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete conversations on Google Chat. So I'm opening the Google Chat on my Gmail right here. So you can see there is a chat options, and if you want to see the conversations here, uh and you want to delete, you can see there is no option to delete the chat directly in the chat box here. So what you can do to delete the conversation is just click on the message or the account that you want to delete its conversations, for example this one's right here, and then click on the three dots icon, and here you'll find there's an option to delete conversation. So just click on that, and here there will be a pop-up message. So deleting a conversation from your history is permanent. Other participants can still view this conversation. So the delete process or the delete is only appear in your Gmail, because the other person can still see the conversation. So you can just click on delete if you are sure, and after that, just like that, the conversation will be gone and it will be deleted from here. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.